Hello, Miss. How are you? Today we will take inshallah lesson 4 from chapter 5, which is multiplying two digits by two digits numbers. Now, you will may see it little difficult actually because it's different than what we used to multiply before, because actually we used to multiply two digits by one digit number. Okay, but it's okay. Actually, I will tell you something. Now, I will teach you method, okay, or we will learn together another or a new method which will help us to make mama happy. How is that? Actually, because it will help us to keep everything around us clean before we continue. Okay, clean our mess, then we can just continue our multiplication. Now, I will tell you how actually. Let's start first start multiplying the ones. Okay, the ones of 32 multiplying by 45. So I will pretend that there is no tens for this place. So I'm just multiplying 45 by only 2. And I can just hide it or put, as you can see here, a blue rectangle, or just hide it with my finger, just ignore it, and pretend that I'm not seeing other numbers than the number or the digit in the in the ones place, and then multiply as we usually do. So we will multiply 2 times 5, it's 10. I will put the 0 down as you can see, and I will carry on the tens, okay, and put here 1 10 at the top of the 4. Okay, now then 2 times 4, it's 8, and I don't forget, miss, please, to add the 1, so it will be 90. So the first product is 90. Now, since actually I'm going to start, okay, now, but before, of course, we have to clean the house. How is that? We have to clean the ones that the 110 that we carry it on at the top of the 4. And now, as you can see here, we are learning how to clean before we continue multiplication. Now, I will clean it, and I will tell you something very important too, in which you have to put 0, okay, in the ones place in the second type. So we have to put 0 in the ones place here, okay? Now, don't forget it, because actually now we finished dealing with ones and we are going to the tens. So we cannot multiply 3 times 5 and put the answer under the ones place. No, it's completely wrong. So before we continue, as I said, first clean, okay, clean the ones, 110 at the top of the 4. And clean and make mom happy for that. And then put 0 in the ones place when you multiply the tens. Then you can now multiply, but before of that, what about just put a smiley face on the green 0, because actually since we learn how to clean our mess before we continue, we are working in order steps and everything is fine and we are happy. Before continue, let's put happy face on the 0 down, the green 0. Okay, then we can now just hide the 2, which is the ones in the ones place, and then pretend that it's never there, and we can pretend that 3 is now the only number I have it on the other, the only digit I have it in the other number, and I can just multiply by it. Now 4 times 3, it's 15. As you can see here, I will put 5 under the 9, okay, and I will put and carry on the 110 at the top of the 4, since it's clean and it's empty and I can put any 10 I want, right? So I will put 110, then I will multiply 3 times 4, okay, it will be 12, but don't forget to add 1, it will be 13. As you can see here, miss, I have 2 products. I have 90 and I have 1350. What shall I do? Of course, I have to add, okay, I have actually missed to add the 2 products together, or take the sum of the 2 products. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, and we have to put or carry on the 110 at the top of the 3. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, and the last digit I will keep it 1. Okay, so your final answer will be 1440. As you can see here, we multiply 2 digits by 2 digits. We learn how to multiply them. We learn how to clean the house and keep, clean everything before we start over again. And we learn how to deal with 2 digits, okay? And how to ignore, the numbers we multiply by until we finish the process or the problem, okay? Let's go now to the book and solve from the book, miss.